Hi friends, welcome to the channel Duong 190. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Keychron approach products creation with design first by Amy Duong, released on 29th October 2024. Tech reference is Design Milk. Keychron is a progressive company known for its impressive range of keyboard options, both wired and wireless. The options cater to various users, whether it is for working optimized for gaming or casually. Recently, the brand launched a wide range of products, including 5 new models, all of which vary in design and more. Design is the main focus when creating a new product, creating a form of customization for users to maximize the specific value. Polton, the Chief Operating Officer at Keychron, shared the design process of creating a new product with design milk nothing. Typically, when designing a new series, we start with research in the supply chain. We carefully assess customer feedback and community input to identify and learn their needs and incorporate the best tech to address them. Then we start designing, building and testing. We build keyboards for the community. Image credit Keychron 10 themes. Number 1, customization driven keyboards. Keychron's emphasis on customization allows users to tailor their keyboards for specific tasks, enhancing user experience and satisfaction. Number 2, user-centric design philosophy. By incorporating detailed user feedback and community input into the design process, Keychron ensures its products align closely with customer needs. Number 3, hybrid input devices. The blend of wired and wireless keyboard options offered by Keychron showcases the flexibility and adaptability demanded by modern users. Industry implications. Number 1, consumer electronics. The focus on customized and diverse speed keyboard designs represents new ground for innovation in the competitive consumer electronics market. Number 2, gaming accessories. Optimized keyboards designed with gamers in mind resonate strongly within the gaming accessories industry, potentially driving significant growth. Number 3, ergonomic products. Keychron's design-first approach highlights a trend in ergonomic innovation, promoting healthier and more efficient typing solutions. I hope you will enjoy this news. Please subscribe my channel Gen Info. Have a nice time. Goodbye.